Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can set up and create links internally within your Google Sheets file and link these to specific sections, rows, columns, and other elements inside Google Sheets. Internal linking inside Google Sheets allows for better navigation. Okay, so how can you do this? Well, let's navigate over to Sales Pipeline, and today I'll be showing you inside my Google Sheets CRM template that I built for small businesses called Sheetify CRM. If you want to learn more about my Google Sheets CRM template called Sheetify CRM, I will add all the relevant resources down below in the description. Okay, so let's create an internal link. What I want to do is inside this sales pipeline, I want to make See Team Sales. I want to make this a clickable link that takes the user all the way over to Dashboard and down to this section over here, Sales Search. So to do that, all I need to do is highlight this entire section, this element, then right click and locate View More Cell Actions. Then simply click Get Link to this range. And as you can see, a link has been copied. Let's navigate back over to Sales Pipeline and then click on this text here. I'm going to highlight this and then navigate over to the link icon and paste in the link up here and then hit apply. And now we have this clickable link. If I click here, that's going to take the user to this sales search over here where they can see their team sales. Okay, let's set up one more example. If I navigate over to Contacts and Leads, you can see over here I have source. And if I click on one of these values, we have all these different values here. However, you do not add the values in here. The user must navigate over to Settings and under Source, add those values down here. So I'm going to make the navigation easier by connecting Source with the source over on Contacts and Leads. I'm going to simply click here, then right click, navigate down to View More Cell Actions and click on Get Link to the cell. Again, a link is copied. Then I'm going to navigate over to the location where I want to add the link. I'm going to add the link to this title here, copy this, navigate up to link and paste in the link over here and hit apply. Okay, so I'm actually going to highlight this and change the text color to white. Now, if a user clicks here and they click this link, that's going to show you the link where their sources will be added down here. So again, this just helps for user navigation. If I navigate back over to Dashboard and come down here, you can see I've added these links in different locations. We have Team Performance Search, which is linked to transactions, client tasks, and issues over here. If I click on Client Tasks, that's going to take the user to Client Tasks. And just like that, that is how you can set up internal links between different elements inside Google Sheets to improve the navigation between your different elements and sheets. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.